Hey train fans, we're here in New Braunfels, Texas, here for the train show at their Civic Center. Behind me here we got some Union Pacific engines on a siding, hanging out. Got some cars attached to it. And right across the street here from the parking lot is a little Civic Center. So last time I was here, the line wrapped around the building and it took forever to get in there because the line moved very slow. So this time I'm getting here a little bit earlier. All right, well, I just ran around for an hour, found a couple goodies. I did check with the staff that photography is permitted, so we'll go ahead and take a quick look at the show here. A lot of folks, so let's see if we can squeeze by. This is the center hallway. We've got the main hall, and behind it's the banquet hall. They have these other little rooms here.
No. Pick it up over that. That needs to stay that
Yeah, sadly I'll miss it, but I'll be in Ohio.
I belong to San Francisco too, but we never see me there because it's so busy.
They show them doing it. Usually they show you that. It's all about,
All right, here's the banquet hall. Yeah, here. Just keep going and going. All right, we're back from the New Braunfels, Texas train show, which is sponsored by the New Braunfels Railroad Museum. Today is October 22nd, 2022. And here is the haul from today. I got for my daughter this little shirt here. And also for her, we got these colorful 1970s vintage boxcars by Lionel. We got Sprite, Fanta, and Tab. Also for my daughter, I got this little labyrinth. Use a little marble on it, so that looks pretty fun. She was playing with it already earlier before I started filming this video. Here we got this MTH Rail King water tower. We actually had two of these at the show. And over here, we have a Lionel windmill. So this is brand new, never been used. Still have to assemble on the actual windmill portion of it. But, if you wire it up, it's powered. Alright, last but not least, we got this little poster here of an accident which happened in Paris in 1895 at a train station. So I guess the conductor was running a little bit late and went a little too fast and couldn't brake in time, and whoops. And unfortunately, there was one fatality associated with this crash, but that looked pretty nifty. And I'm sure many of you train enthusiasts can relate to this image. If you've ever had a train derail or, God forbid, fly off the table, I know no one will admit it, but you know it's happened. Anyway, I thought it was pretty cool, and it was pretty cheap, so I had to pick it up. And of course, after I get back, in the mail, I get the $2 off coupon delivered the day of the show. Oh, whoopsie, I guess they got these out a little bit late. This shows the information about the show and the location. They have them there twice a year. Here's a little flyer picked up. Same thing here. So it's showing the next date will be in April of 2023. So if you're in the Central or South Texas area, definitely check it out. They have a really good collection of merchandise and a lot of tables there. And huge number of layouts, and it's great for families. A lot of kid stuff, a lot of family-friendly layouts. Future schedule here. And of course, again, sponsored by the New Braunfels Railroad Museum. So they have a facility there in New Braunfels. So if you're in the area, definitely go check that out as well. Also, speaking of the mail today, I received in the mail my official TCA name badge. So I finally got around to registering with my local San Antonio chapter of the Lone Star Division of the TCA. It's a magnet one. So next train show I'll be able to wear it. Got just a little bit too late for this train show. And just another future train show news. The TCA Lone Star Division is having their 47th annual train show at the Garden Ridge Community Center on May 20th, 2023. So again, if you're in that central South Texas area, definitely check it out. I will be there. Okay. All right, well, maybe in another video I'll get into this water tower a little bit more, or get this windmill assembled. Hope you enjoyed checking out the show. And wherever you may be in the country, be sure to frequent your local hobby stores. Check out those train shows. You never know what kind of little surprises you may find. And I appreciate it. Please do like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.